Fabulous.
The best.
Fabulous.
The greatest.
Fabulous.
Moyi.
President, you see the difference in the response. Yours was on the lower. On behalf of the IMC, the technical team, the labor, and all stakeholders of the club, I would like to thank you, your vice, your entourage, for paying us this honorable visit. To me, it's an inspiring visit for us to wake up early in the morning, only to hear that you are here. To me, we should count ourselves blessed because it's an honor to interact with the president and his employer. So we are so grateful and we are inspired by the piece of advice that you give to us, the motivation that you give to us, the insight that you give to us. We are driven by your words and we want to assure you that as a playing body and as a technical team, we do our best to reposition Marcia Santo Kotoko and that of Ghana football. Thank you.
And preparing very well, and I believe we should be ready for this. I have no doubt about the level and quality of talent we have here. I have no doubt. If I'm to mention names, I'm sure I will end up mentioning every name because there's high level of quality in this team. I pray that all of you will have a very good season. Most importantly, it will be a free season. That's most important. And then hopefully you'll bring back the love to the people that Ashanti begin. You'll bring back the love to your fans, to your family members, and most importantly, to our people. On behalf of Vice President and the entourage, I wish you well. And I'll end up by saying that, come on.
Happy Mema.
Thank you. Because if you win today and you win tomorrow, you win the day after tomorrow, every fan who is sleeping will come back alive. And once they are awake and they sit on their bed, they will start to walk towards you. That's football. And the strength of this club has always been a powerful 12-man behind the team. Supporters need to be rewarded. Their reward is victories from game to game. That's all they ask for. So this season, I think that the vision of this club has been to reward the fans, to make sure that from your performances, you make the fans happy. And once you make the fans happy, they'll return the favor and make you happy. And I believe that you have a very good technical team led by Doc. I believe head coach and the technical team. I'm very happy. I think that even though I did promise weeks ago that I will pass through to see some of the sessions. By the grace of God, last time God is we have a very important game today. But on the sides of the national assignment, I took time to visit some of our members. So yesterday, for example, I was at Future Stars, who is the one to watch how they prepare at the very well. To be sure and to know exactly how our teams behave at certain levels. And then I also visited Park Academy to inspect the high level of investment and then of course, once I'm in assembly, all the important things. express an act of freedom. And once you do well, and once you continue to do well, you realize that that was very, very important. Most of the basketball that you guys as players, it is your responsibility to perform well.
Yeah, gentlemen, go out and meditate of the world. So please, you can go and